Hey guys, this is Wolfacat here, and I'm showing you all these, the New Prophecy book things, the complete second series of the New Prophecy, and, I just want to know who these cats are. Like, that might be Squirrelflight, that might be, that's Stormfur, Feathertail, even though she, this book. Okay, no spoilers. Who is this and who is that? And who is that? I don't know who that is. Please tell me. I want to know who this is. I want to know who that is. And I want to know who this and this is. Please tell me. But yeah. And also, there's the cross stick. Okay, then there's my shield. Here's my creeper. And there's my friend's bicycle. Bye.